Can you see the difference? Today, I'm going to talk about ways you can lighten your dark elbows and knees. Hello everyone, I'm Jujani and welcome to Beauty Farm. I hope everyone's doing well and staying healthy. During summertime, we have so many skin problems we need to take care of. We have dark skin patches, we have dry patches, and uneven skin tone that we need to get rid of. But before we get into it, make sure you're subscribed to our channel. We talk about all things beauty and health. If this is something you're interested, make sure you're subscribed. Now, dark spots on your elbows and knees are common. Everybody has them, and technically they're not harmful, but they can be very bothersome. So let's talk about the causes first to understand and prevent from happening again. Naturally, it can happen due to overproduction of melanin, and melanin, which is your natural skin pigment. It could also be caused by dryness. The thin layer on your elbows do not produce any oil, making it dry, and that causes overproduction of dead skin cells. So what do you do if you want to lighten your dark elbows and knees? There are ways you can prevent them from darkening. So you need to moisturize and apply sunscreen. Use hydrating creams, lotions, and even coconut oil. Like I mentioned before, the skin on your elbows and knees are very thin, so it does not produce oil itself. So you constantly have to moisturize that part of your body. Then after that, apply sunscreen. Dead skin cells still absorbs sunlight, causing a darker pigmentation. So to avoid that, constantly apply sunscreen. Now let's talk about home remedies. We have prepared for you one homemade recipe that you can try for your skin pigmentation. It's great for exfoliating, and we have gathered all natural ingredients that are known to be effective when it comes to naturally lightening the skin. So these are the 4 ingredients. We have gram flour, yogurt, half of lemon juice, and turmeric. I'm going to start with my dry ingredients, which is gram flour, and then turmeric, lemon juice, and lastly yogurt. And it should look something like this. Alright, so now I'm going to apply this mask or paste on my elbows. Grab a little bit and apply it. Ooh, it's so cooling. Now I'm going to wait about 15 to 20 minutes. Wait until this is dry, so once it's dry, I can sort of rub it off and exfoliate my skin. So now I'm just going to rub off slowly. So I just washed it off. Now I'm going to moisturize my elbow using this hydrating cream. As you can see, it did get a little bit lighter, and I know it will be more effective if you use it 2 to 3 times a week. This is only 1 time. Ta-da! Summer means that we get to wear our favorite clothes, and we want to wear cute shorts and cute tank tops with confidence. So let's get rid of that uneven skin tone and enjoy this summer without any worries. So try out these methods and say no more to uneven skin tone. That's all we have for today. Head on over to our channel and check out some of the self-care videos that we have made, and comment down which one you want to see next here on Beauty Farm. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!